from the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So can you use Apple Mainstage for voiceover? I wanted to find out because Apple Mainstage was designed to be used live on stage, right? So why not cut voiceovers live through it? So I figured out how to route this, and you have to use the Apollo. Let me just show you this real quick. So, you, hold on, let me show you over here. So here I'm going into input 1 here with the 017 FET, and the routing is actually pretty interesting, right? So you go from your mic into the Apollo hardware input, which has to use the UAD console software, which gives you the option of using plugins. So I have no Unison plugin here. I'm trying to make it nice and clean as possible so that I can, capture as much of the 9099 flavor as possible. So right here, I only have de-esser and CVox, just to kill the noise and the sibilants. And then I'm going into Mainstage. So hold on, let me bring this over. Sorry about this. So then I'm going into Mainstage, right? So I use input 1, so it pulls it directly from here. And so in console, right, I have it muted, I have the fader down, I have nothing coming out of console. But what I have over here, I'm losing all my stuff. What I have over here, right, is you go into Mainstage, and then you use the plugins in Mainstage. I know this is confusing, sorry, right? Oh my goodness. So then I come in and I'm using the 9099. I have the ability to use other plugins, but I'm not because I want to keep this as lean and mean as possible. And then this routes back, right? So I route this actually the output 39 and 40, right? So it goes through Mainstage. Mainstage is like a plugin almost. And then I route it back into virtual 1 and 2 over here, and gives me the option to, again, like finish it off if I want to use inflator or dynamite like an expander gate to kill the last bit of noise I can. So it's not exactly intuitive. It's not really the way it's meant to be, but you can do it. And so I'm going to experiment with it and see what possibilities there are. Is it a poor man's Apollo, or is it essentially like a booster rocket to add to your Apollo? Let's figure this out, all right? I want to know what you think. Absolutely. All right, leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.